Hey, Will here from Print on Demand Coach. Just want to show you what we just completed in August of this year. So we did session number 1, 2, and 3. They're already done. And these are all talking about how to sell necklaces online. So print on demand necklaces, which has basically been my bread and butter for a long time. But I'm going to show you the actual replays here. So let's go into the classroom. Let's go to replays. Let's scroll down here. So session number 1 is right here. It was an hour and 19 minutes. And basically in that one, I explained why these message card and engraved disc necklaces are primed for revival. The pendant necklaces were my bread and butter for years and years and years with Gear Bubble until they closed. Then I showed how like AI agents can do the research, creative work, and financial modeling before we spend a dime on ads. So by the end, we had competitor data in CSV form, store deep dives, buyer personas with ad interest stacks, profit projections for a 10K goal, and even fresh designs generated on the fly. And then in the next session, we're going to turn the prep into a live launch, testing and scaling. So there's key moments in here too. So you can see, you just click them. Like here's the agent number 1 scrapes. So you would click that, and then it'll go to the actual exact moment in the video. So here's like personalization epiphany, that kind of thing. So these are all clickable right inside the membership, which makes it very easy to follow the training. And then session 2, this is an hour and 18 minutes. So in this training, I just walked through my updated method for creating, launching, and testing personalized message card necklaces, all within a single CBO campaign that can also scale the winners. And then I demonstrated how I design a product in Anywhere POD, connected to Shopify, create custom mockups in Photopea, and write optimized ad copy using AI. And then I showed how to structure a product page template on Shopify for this particular product and why I focus on a single variant for personalization. So what I'm showing basically is typically with a message card, I'm going to try and bring up an example here. Let's just try like to my wife message card on Google and see what comes up. Here's one. Let's go to, yeah, that's fine. So this is on Amazon or AliExpress. Okay, whatever. Selling for $280, which is insane. But to my beautiful wife, it has this like a message here, message here, message here, and then I love you always and forever. What I did is I made this so this is actually you put in their name. You can type in their name, and then you can type in your name on the bottom. So it makes it personalized instead of the standard stuff. Now AliExpress is insanely low. Let's find a store. See if we can find one here. There's Etsy, Amazon, Behance. What's that? Let's visit this. Maybe a better example with some real pricing. Nope, that's not it. Where are we going here? Try this one. There's one. So this one has personalization at the bottom. Choose the background to my beautiful wife. I guess you can change that. Which is cool. They preview it. Nice. So something like that, except we're doing a live preview instead. So a little bit easier to do. Anyway, then what I did is I showed you how to test and scale these in the same campaign. And I used big caps in that campaign and minimum maximum ad spend limits, and then the 80-20 rule to shift budget towards winners while keeping tests running. I also covered automated rules for turning off poor performers and how to interpret data for to find the best quotes. And then the homework is get 25 of these personalized message cards live. And then we got this testing, new testing method, product page template, sourcing quotes with AI, building the product in Anywhere POD, custom mockups in Photopea, CBO campaign with big caps, 80-20 rule, automation rules, homework, like that. So you can just go to each section, just click it, it'll go right to the section, which is very cool. And then finally, we just wrapped up the session number 3, which was an hour and 17 minutes. And in this one, I walked through a different style of necklace beyond the typical message card design. So I wanted to show these because they're really my bread and butter products. And ShineOn has made some exciting updates like live previews right on the page for engravings, which is super cool. And then we explored two main styles: engraved pendants directly with a new live preview, and personalized necklaces using Anywhere POD, where buyers can add a custom name on it. Both work great. I shared how to outsource designs to Fiverr, but now with AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, we can generate quotes and designs in minutes. From there, I demonstrated setting up a new product in ShineOn, tweaking prices, images, and templates in Shopify, and then building an ad campaign to test it. Talked about why catalog ads often don't work well for these products, this type of product, and how to set up CBO campaigns with big cap rules, the 80-20 again, to quickly find winners while protecting ad spend. I also highlighted how to troubleshoot ad results using a simple decision tree. No clicks means the design sucks. Clicks but no add to cart means the product page has issues. And add to cart with no purchase means checkout or trust issues. We wrapped up by discussing scaling into Q4, especially reframing winners into Christmas-themed ads to capitalize on the holiday rush. I closed by giving a sneak peek of my new ad tracking software, which automates revenue, ad costs, and cost of goods sold reporting for Shopify, Facebook ads, and Printify. Anyway, then there's 10 key moments. So this is cool. If I can just do this. So hop right there. I'm going to mute this. So you can see on here, you can do a live preview now, which is super cool. It's an update that they just launched. And it's coming right here. When you click, oh, that's the other one. That's the personalized one, totally different. But anyway, on ShineOn now, when you're doing engraving, you can actually see the live preview right in there. So here's the deal. Necklaces have been the one print-on-demand product that I have sold the most of out of any other product, like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, anything. And there are 3 sessions in here just waiting for you to absorb. If you're using Shopify, especially with Facebook ads, this is for you. If you're considering opening up a Shopify store to do this, this is for you. Necklaces sell really, really, really well for the fourth quarter. And this particular training is dedicated to like the To My Wife style of message cards and necklaces. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to find my batch of winners that I can then scale for the Christmas rush. And like in this training, you'll see how I can convert an evergreen product, which means it'll sell year round, into one that's focused on like a holiday. And it's basically just shifting the ad copy from generic, like year-round stuff to Christmas themes specifically. And then I can even change my mock-ups on my ads to be more Christmas themed versus generic. So right now is prime time to do this. If you are interested in having a look at this training, you do have the ability to do so right now. I'm just going to go to an incognito window and type this in. When you land here, let's join now. There we go. When you land here, school.com/printondemandcoach/about, or just go to printondemandcoach.com and click join now. You can start a free trial. Okay. I have no issue with that. And it is basically, if you like it, stick around. If you don't, you're free to cancel at any time. As of shooting this, there's 106 members in there, and it's a really good group of people. So what's going to happen next in September is I'm going to run another 3 live training sessions on the next topic. So I believe it's going to be ornaments, personalized ornaments, because we're really prepping for the fourth quarter here big time. Anyway, point is, I wanted to show you what it looks like inside the community. And that is not the only training that you get access to. It goes all the way back to like, there's 3 sessions in each of these. There's ornaments from November 2024. There's Shopify month. There's Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Mother's Day 2, Father's Day, 1K per day. Spent a whole month shooting for that, and then birthdays as well. So now we're into necklaces. Next one is probably going to be personalized ornaments that we're going to be selling. So we're going to do our research, create our designs, make them personalized, and then list them on our store, and then test them, find our winners, and scale them. So right now, though, you have on the trial, I don't lock up any of these either. You have access to all these, and that is what? Let me just count these off here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times 3 is 33 training sessions, minimum an hour long, waiting for you. And that's not to even mention the community, which is right here too. Anyway, if you're interested, go there, go to printondemandcoach.com and hit that join now button. Hit join now, and then it'll take you through here. And then mine says settings, but yours will say start a free trial. Start your free trial, and we'll see you on the inside. If you want to cancel your free trial, you don't even need to contact me. Just go up to your profile, and you can click on your subscriptions. You can click on this one, and you can click on cancel. So you don't even need to contact me to do it, which I actually like too, because I don't really want to see you go, but I'm not going to stop you if you do want to leave. Anyway, a lot of value. There's coaching, there's community, there's training in there for you. So I'd love to have you in there. Go there now, and we'll see you on the inside.